Victor, a Taiwanese brand, makes some of the best badminton rackets in the world, used by top players like Tai Tzu Ying, Anders Antonsen, Yi Zijia, Fajar Alfian, HS Pranoy, and the list goes on. Victor has got 5 different racket series. Each one is made for a different type of a player, suitable for a different style of play, and in this video, I'll show you what each series does, who's it made for, and which one is right for you. So basically, Victor has 5 series. 3 are the current professional focus, and 2 are the legacy series that are still actively sold and still genuinely competitive. But before that, of course, this is gonna happen. Please subscribe to the channel. It really motivates me to create more such amazing and honest content for you guys. Let's hit 50k. Just smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you never miss any updates from God of Sports. Also, I'll be doing our first Q&A in some time. So if you have any questions regarding anything, I'm happy to answer that in the Q&A video. You can drop those questions below in the comment section. So now coming back to the video, let's first understand the current 3 focus series of Victor. First one is the Thruster, then we have got the Aura Speed, and then we have got the Trivex. First one is the Thruster Badminton series. This is Victor's power series, used by players like Yi Zijia and Jonathan Christie, and my favorite, Tai Tzu Ying. These rackets are usually head heavy, they have a stiff shaft, and they are built for smashing. If you want the most powerful racket Victor makes, this is the series to go for. Next up is the Aura Speed. This is Victor's professional speed series used by players like Anders Antonsen and HS Pranoy. This series is built for fast hands, quick drives, and explosive neck play. Next one is the DriveX series. This is Victor's all-round control series, and it's the most technologically loaded series, used by players like Fajar Alfian, Zheng Siwei, and Anthony Ginting. It is built for players who win through creative shot varieties rather than one dominant weapon. This is a complete all-round performance racket series. Now, the 2 legacy series. First one is the Brave Sword. Brave Sword is an all-round speed series. This is one of Victor's most storied rackets, used by Lee Yong-dae, the greatest men's doubles player in the history of badminton. It still sells year after year, still recommended today, and still one of the best all-court doubles racket series you can buy. And the last one is Jet Speed. Again, a speed focused series, which is Aura Speed's predecessor. Now let's break each one of the series down properly. First is the Thruster, which is Victor's power series. Now, who's this series made for? If you're a singles attacker, if you live for the smash, if your favorite part of badminton is hitting the shuttle as hard as you can from back of the court and watching it go down speed, this is the series built for you. Players whose entire game is rear court power, players who finish point one by one. Now let's talk about the performance of this series on the court. The smash is the whole story. Of course, it's a power series, right? Thruster smashes are the heaviest, steepest, and the most penetrating Victor makes. The kind that ends rallies rather than continue them. Clears go to the backline effortlessly. But there is a trade-off. Defense is hard work because that head heavy weight is slow to redirect, and net play needs a deliberate preparation. Now let's know which professional players uses which thruster rackets. So Tai Tzu Ying uses the Thruster TTY Ultima. It's her special edition signature racket. Lee Zijia, the All England winner, uses this Victor Thruster FC Ultra. And Kodai Narokawa uses the Victor Thruster RU-GA 2 Pro. 3 of the most aggressive rear court attackers in the world all choose Thruster because Thruster is what makes their game style demand. So what makes Thruster special? First of all, the head-heavy balance. Victor concentrates as much as weight possible at the top of the frame, which means every smash has that gravitational momentum behind it. You're not just hitting the shuttle, the weight of the racket is hitting it with you. The stiff to extra stiff shaft transfers all the energy straight into the shuttle without absorbing any of it. That's the whole engineering brief. maximum power, no compromises. Now let's try to know the most popular rackets in the Thruster series. The Thruster FC Ultra is a flagship professional, the most powerful Victor consumer racket you can buy. If you're an intermediate player who wants the thruster characters at accessible price, you've got the TK220H, which is genuinely the most popular Victor racket we sell. Links to check out the complete thruster range is mentioned in the description. Second series is the Aura Speed. It's Victor's Speed series. Spoiler alert, it has got that aura, okay? So who's this series built for? If your game is built on fast hands, you love quick exchanges at the front of the court, if you play doubles and you live for those fast drive rallies where the shuttle is whipping back and forth, this is the series for you. It's recommended for singles players who win through deception and high speed and placement, doubles players whose strength is reactive defense and explosive net kills, and the kind of player who beats opponents by being faster than them. This series is built for you. Now let's try to understand how this Aura Speed series performs on the court. The first thing you notice is how fast the racket is. Drives are sharp and explosive. You can dictate the pace of a doubles exchange instead of just reacting to it. Defense is razor fast because the head resets in your hand the moment you finish a shot. And net play is a standout, explosive and deceptive at the same time. Now, of course, there are gonna be some cons. So the trade-off is the smash. It's pretty good, but it's not great. And you're not buying this racket for raw power anyway, right? Now let's know which professional players uses the Aura Speed. So Anders Antonsen uses this very Victor Aura Speed 90k metallic badminton racket. And other players like HS Pranoy uses this legendary Victor Aura Speed 100x Ultra. Now let's understand the popular models under the Aura Speed series. The 100x Ultra is the professional flagship. The Aura Speed Phantom J is the Victor's newest, the thinnest frame of any Victor racket. And for beginners or club players who want speed, we have got Aura Speed 9 and Aura Speed 3200 at accessible prices. All on God of Sports. I have attached the links below of all the Aura Speed rackets. The third series is the DriveX, which is Victor's all-round control series. So now, who's this series built for? If you're a kind of a player who doesn't win matches with that one smash, if your game is built on doing everything well, a sharp smash, a tight net shot, a reliable defense, or maybe a deceptive drop, and you want one racket that handles all of it without compromising anything, this is the series for you. It's suitable for doubles players, especially because doubles forces you to switch between every zone of the court in the same rally, and DriveX is specially built for exactly that switching. Singles players who wins through shot variety and placement rather than raw power also belong here. Now let's understand how this rackets perform on the court. This is one of the most balanced racket experience Victor offers. There's literally no weak zone, okay? Drives are fast and sharp, which is the racket's headline strength. Smashes come down properly steep because there's just enough head weight to give them that bite. Net play has a springy, alive feel that makes net kills sharp and decisive. Defense is genuinely solid because the racket head resets quickly in your hand. And on the all-court rallies that doubles is built on, the racket transitions from defense to attack faster than anything else Victor makes. It literally just does everything well. So which players use the DriveX series? Fajar Alfian, Indonesian's top men's doubles player, uses the DriveX 12. Zheng Siwei, the Olympic gold medalist in mixed doubles, the most decorated active mixed doubles players in the world, currently uses the DriveX 12. And Anthony Ginting uses the same DriveX 12. I had recently uploaded a complete in-depth review of this Victor DriveX badminton racket. You can check out the link put up here at the top and in the description below. Now what makes this DriveX series so special? Maximum engineering is in one frame. The flagship DriveX 12 metallic packs in 9 separate Victor technologies, more than any other Victor racket. Without going into the names, what matters is what they do together. They make the racket play stiff, but feel forgiving. They give you a steeper smash angle, they make the contact feel springy and alive, and they keep the racket hit stable even when you hit the shuttle off center. 9 technologies, one job. Make the racket do everything absolutely well. What are the most popular DriveX rackets? First one is the DriveX 12, which is a 2025 December professional flagship, and then there's another DriveX 10 Metallic, which is the previous same generation Metallic. Same control DNA, slightly more accessible price. Both of these rackets are available on God of Sports. And also, I have attached the complete list of DriveX rackets below in the description. Fourth series is the Brave Sword. This is one of Victor's 2 legacy series, but it deserves a moment because who used it, you know? The Brave Sword 12 is the racket Lee Yong-dae played with, and Lee Yong-dae is by agreement the greatest men's doubles player in the history of badminton. Olympic gold medalist, world champion, BWF Hall of Famer. He won at the very top of the sport with this particular racket, and Victor has kept selling the series since 2010. 16 years and it's still going on. So now who's this series built for? All core doubles players who want one racket for every zone, and players who find stiff shafts too demanding. The medium flex on this is genuinely forgiving. So the fifth and the last, the Jet Speed. It's another legacy series. Simplest way to think about Jet Speed, it's the Aura Speed's predecessor. The Speed series Victor sold before, they evolved the Speed identity to the professional tier with Aura Speed. But still, Jet Speed is hugely actively sold in the market. So a quick recap. If your game is built on rear court smashing and overwhelming attack, go for the Thruster. Fast drives, deceptive net play and quick defense, go for the Aura Speed. Creative all-round with maximum technology, go for the DriveX. So that's it for today. I hope you have got an idea of which racket series does what and is suitable for what kind of player. Give a like if you found this content helpful, and if you have any new ideas of what next videos shall I make, dump your ideas in the comment section and I'll try my best to create the videos for my lovely audience. Also, if you need any help in finding the next perfect racket for you, drop a comment with your playing style and your current struggles. I'll help you find your perfect racket with complete honesty. Till then, keep smashing and keep rocking the court. See you in the next video.